The final curtain call is always like this. Beautiful and lonely. Come to the beginning, to the sea of stars.
Starry like rain, nothing remains from the wasteland. Life's a burning river, a bold fleet, never going there. Hold on to break the chain, to watch, aim to gain.
A narrow escape. You nearly vanished into the abyss, my sweet pink star.
This place. Where am I? Who are you?
For now, call me the Seer. This is no place for answers, though. We stand within a tear in the fabric of space and time, one that may collapse at any moment. To traverse through it safely, you will need the floating outfit, the blue one you have in your possession. Only by crossing can we reach the Sea of Stars. Come with me. Jump over these obstacles. Use your floating ability to cross the gaps between platforms. Be mindful of the landing spot beneath you. Wait, there are so many lost stars here. Come, leave this ill-fated place behind and join us in the Sea of Stars. Nikki, the light from the stars will be our guide. Now, take my hand.
The water. It's filled with stars.
They have fallen from the Sea of Stars to rest here. Countless worlds like this one have faltered and vanished. Come, the moon beckons. Ever more illusions arise. We draw closer to the sea of stars. Like fragile bubbles set to burst, never to be seen again. It brings a quiet sorrow. Ever more illusions arise. We draw closer to the sea of stars. Like fragile bubbles set to burst, never to be seen again. It brings a quiet sorrow. Brace yourselves. We are about to be drawn to the space-time rift.
Where are we?
We are moving toward the center of that ring of stars. Our destination is close at hand. Stay close to me. All will be fine. Try again. With me by your side, you need not be afraid to fail.
What is it?
Time and space are collapsing. The final moments of this world are upon us. The dancing shores, the falling stars, all these fantastical sights will soon be swallowed by the twist of time and space, fading into nothingness. This entire area will explode like grand fireworks, leaving only a fleeting flash across the universe. Alas, endings are always spectacular, but we'd best hurry.
What's happening?
Brace yourself! The last cries of a dying world echo before us. Stars. Don't be afraid. I'll wait for you.
Give up! Not until I've collected the last wish.
Protect everyone! Get back down!
Leave now! The Dark Elimination Division will fight until...
I'm here. Don't lose your way this time, my pink star.
Let my wandering steps be alive. In endless time, starlight will find my fate in rewind. Through the light, all voices intertwine. Once fading heart, now glowing across the sky. Gaze in sweet silence echoes by my side. Faith wants a sign. Soft echoes ring and carries a wish. Stars in bright array. Sailing through the starry
Was that a dream? It felt so real.
Even confused, you're endearing.
You. In my dream, you saved me.
If it had only been a dream, it wouldn't be so bad. But for that ill-fated world, it's not so. That was no dream, but a fragment of your memory. Your whole world, fragile as a songbird, was swallowed whole by the abyss.
How could the whole world be destroyed?
Breathe deep. In the vast fabric of existence, this loss is but one stitch in time, a single thread among countless others, no more lasting than a leaf, slipping from the eternal vine. That you are even here is no small feat.
The sea of stars. Countless worlds. What exactly is this place?
How to help you understand. The Sea of Stars is the beginning and end of all things. Here, the past, present, and future exist as one. It weaves together countless worlds and infinite possibilities, each one a star that lights the night sky. Behold their beauty.
I don't understand.
Fret not, though I've dwelled here for time untold, even I can't unravel all its mysteries. For you, only one thing must be understood. My pink star, you are special. Within your hands, you hold a thread that shapes the destiny of worlds. So, by drawing upon the sea of stars, I will give you the chance to start anew.
Start anew?
Whether a blessing or a curse. Even if one world perishes, the endless sea of stars always opens a path to another. Just as it once did for me.
Then... the destruction of that world... it was... my fault. My head hurts.
Come now, don't overthink it. I didn't save you only to watch you suffer. How about I first show you the Sea of Stars? Before we set off, I ask only one thing. Do you wish to meet the other stars within this sea? Or would you rather explore the world on your own? I understand. Make your way to the warp nexus ahead. I'll provide further instructions there. Take your time. Though time stands still for no one, it is no longer of importance to me. The Sea of Stars is endless. The warp nexus will return you to its embrace. Now, look at your hand.
Is this... did you use this bell before?
That's right. The Star Bell is my gift to you. When standing within the light array surrounding the warp nexus, using the Star Bell will gather all nearby starlight. Very good. Try to gather the starlight. Feel the power of the heart within you. That surging wind.
That sound. What was it?
Now, the inspiration for a sketch should have appeared in your mind. Though your memories remain in disarray, your body surely remembers what it means to be a stylist. Craft it and then try it on. I also have a little surprise for you. Please wait just a moment.